What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We got Logan here. Logan wants to snake out this bathtub today. We're not going to snake the toilet line. We're going to see if we can clear it through the bathtub. So, okay, Logan, hop over there. I'm going to get you to undo that cover. Now, what you need to do is make sure you don't lose the screw. Okay? Now, if you want to verify 100% you're not going to lose a screw, you can take that plug and put it inside. That's up to you. I'll let you decide. Okay, so what you can do, turn the water on, rinse that off. Alright, so now what we got to do, come out of there, because I'm going to take that. You know what, Logan? I'm actually going to do this one just because when we undo that overflow, it might put pressure on the actual pipe itself, and we don't want to. Okay. So that will not need. So, a couple things. We're using the Grease Monkey gloves from Watson, as well as the hand job gloves from Watson, and the machine of choice today is going to be the Milwaukee Fuel. It's the M18 with the 5/16 cable and the bulb head. I put a little bend on it to make it easier to go through the trap. Do me a favor, take the tools out of the sink and run it for me. Okay, maybe shut the water off. So we definitely got some hair in there. Alright. Let's try this again. I think I gotta snake it again.
Nice though.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, I think we did it, guys. So now what we're going to do, we just got to do a quick cleanup. Can I get you to hold that load? Let me see the paper towel. That's mold. Okay, I'll show you, Logan. So when you have these plugs, right, and you have the hole there, you try to put it on the screw, okay? so that it doesn't move. And you gotta make sure you line that up. The holes always go on the bottom. See how this is solid here? There's holes down here. Always goes on the bottom so that the water, like you can technically flip it over, but it just makes, if you're having a bath like your mother, right? She likes to fill it right up. No, you keep it right there. That's where you want it always. All right. Give this a flush. Everything's flushing good. I do feel this is loose, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lift it off. So, this is supposed to have a cap. We're not supposed to break that. Okay, I think it's actually down there. We're kind of going a little overboard of what we're doing right now. We don't have to do this, but we're here, so we do it. You know what I mean? You can shut that water off. This is one of the reasons I hate these toilets. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got it. So it took us less than 5 minutes to get out. So we're gonna throw this back. And then I would do this. Alright. So grab that paper towel. So Logan dropped the paper towel, so that's coming out of his pay now. So that just goes on there, keeps everything sturdy, right? All right. So then we put this back. Gotta remember this slot goes around there. You know when everything just goes wrong one day? That's today. Alright, that clip in there, push that over. Put this in. Alright. That goes on like that. All because we wanted to do something that we didn't even need to do, Logan. We're trying to help people out. Alright, grab that garbage can there. perfect. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching. I'm Jay, that drain guy. That's Logan behind the camera. Till next time, Trogna.